Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link a cell to another workbook. First, open both the source and destination workbooks. Next, select the cell in your destination workbook where you want the linked data to appear. Type an equals sign, then navigate to your source workbook and click on the specific cell you wish to link. Finally, press Enter. This creates a dynamic connection, ensuring your data stays synchronized across your files with just a few simple steps. Once linked, you'll see a formula like equals source workbook. XLSX sheet 1, $1. The square brackets enclose the source workbook's name, while the exclamation mark separates the sheet name from the cell reference. The dollar signs indicate an absolute reference, meaning the link will always point to that exact cell, even if you move the formula. Understanding these components helps you troubleshoot and manage your connections effectively across different files. Links typically update automatically when the source workbook is open. If not, you can manually update them by navigating to the Data tab, then selecting Queries and Connections, and finally Edit Links. Here, you have the option to update all values or break the link entirely. Breaking a link replaces the dynamic formula with its current static value, which can be useful if you no longer need the live connection but want to retain the data. For best practices, try to keep your source and destination workbooks in the same folder to avoid broken links when moving files. Using named ranges in your source workbook can make your formulas much more readable and easier to manage. Always be mindful of file paths, especially when sharing linked workbooks with others. For more complex data connections, consider exploring tools like Power Query for enhanced robustness and flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.